All right, guys, good evening, good Tuesday evening. If you can hear me and you can see me on the video, please type in a 111 111 in the chat function. You'll find the chat button somewhere below on your screen. All right, good evening, Julie. Welcome, Yoli. Welcome, Wen Xuan. Okay, welcome. All right, how about the rest of you? Okay, do participate in today's session. All right, we only have this every Tuesday. All right, so this is a good opportunity for you to join in the party. Okay, so please respond in the chat 111 if you can hear me loud and clear. All right, so we're gonna start tonight's session. Hello, Maggie. Welcome, Chang Seng. Good to see you here. All right, welcome everybody. So just now, I hope you enjoyed the success stories, the real people, real stories of people around the world who have benefited and really had a positive impact in their life because of what I'm going to share with you tonight. Okay, so just to introduce myself here, my name is Dennis. I'm sure a lot of you know me already. All right, so if you don't, please just go to Facebook and go to my page, Dennis Bay, dennis.bay.18, and you will be able to add me as a friend, or follow me on my Facebook if you are not already on my Facebook. Okay. All right, so a little bit background about myself. I have been in my own business as a entrepreneur for the last 20 years now, and the last 10 years, I've been traveling around the world, enjoying my life, leading like a semi-retirement kind of life. Okay, and I was very fortunate because I got to, work with some companies and businesses that has allowed me to, live a dream lifestyle. Okay, with me and my family. Now, late last year, we were all hit by the COVID-19 pandemic very badly. No more traveling. We're all stuck at home, and in fact, it has been, if you think about it, right, it has been almost 2 years already. Okay, yeah, we have been stuck uh, because of the pandemic for almost 2 years. How many of you here on this call, right, have been affected negatively somehow in your life because of this COVID-19 pandemic? Type in a 222 in the chat box, right? If your life or someone you know in your family, people who are close to you, they have been very badly affected because of this pandemic situation. Okay. Yeah, so it's been 2 years already, right? It's crazy. Yeah, so same here, I was also affected. My businesses were also very affected because of this pandemic. And in fact, I lost one of my major source of income last year, which is related to the travel industry. Okay, and that business totally just froze. Okay, totally stopped, and that source of income, was like gone, right? Okay, and I was actually, looking around for something that can really help us during this pandemic. Not just myself, but also my friends. Okay, because there's nothing much that you can do right now because of this situation, right? A lot of businesses, a lot of even traditional businesses are stuck. Okay, so late last year, a good friend of mine from America, I've known him for more than 10 years. He actually told me about what he was doing, right, with this online education company that has been around since 2013, okay, 2013. So it's like almost coming to 8 years now. And this company is just booming and exploding all over the world, right? And what do? They educate people around the world. Right now, they have, almost, I think, probably 500,000 students all over the world who are subscribing to their services, okay, every single month, every single year. And they're teaching them how to make money from the financial markets, okay? And when we talk about financial markets, we're talking about markets like foreign exchange, cryptocurrency, gold, silver, commodities, okay, and even stocks, okay. So these people in this company, these teachers, they have come together to create what I personally feel is the most powerful uh, educational online uh, wealth creation platform that I've ever seen in my life. Okay, in my past 20 years of doing business, I've never seen anything like this. Okay, and in fact, just to share with you, I have been trading and investing in different kind of financial products and markets for the last few years, 3 to 4 years. Okay, I've been trying to learn how to become a foreign exchange trader, how to trade stocks like Apple, like Microsoft, Google, US stocks, and also how to invest in all this kind of financial markets and financial products, okay, to generate multiple stream of income. All right. So because especially during this pandemic, I want to share with all of you, how many of you agree with me that you can no longer just depend on one source of income for your future and for your family's future? How many of you agree with me? Type in a 333 in the chat box. 333. Type in 333 if you agree with me that now you better wake up, right? Because of this pandemic, if you have not woken up to this, it's time to wake up. You cannot depend on one single source of income. Okay. So I invested a lot of money, tens of thousands of dollars, right, in different seminar, workshop, courses by different people. Thousands of dollars I spent, okay, on these courses to learn how to make money from different sources like financial markets, like properties, and like e-commerce and all that, okay. But I must share with you that tonight what I'm going to show you, right, is really one of the most powerful wealth creation platforms that I've ever come across. Okay. So tonight is going to be like this. Okay. I'm going to play a short introduction video right after this that introduces you about this platform that we are using right now. Okay. What's their software tools, their technology tools, their education platform, and after that, I'll share with you some real life stories, okay, of people, my friends, my personal close friends, who has been following us the last 6 months, who have prior no experience, zero experience with investment, with financial markets, with trading. And today, after 6 months of trusting and believing in what I shared with them 6 months ago, okay, last year during the most serious time of the pandemic, when they were down and out, they had no other hope of making money, okay, this platform literally saved their lives, okay. And I'm going to share with you how their lives have changed positively. And later on, hopefully some of them will be live on call. I'll invite them to share with you as well, okay. Now this session is going to last about 60 minutes. We can go even to 90 minutes, okay. Why? Because after the introduction and after I share with you the stories, okay, after 9:30 p.m., which is in another 15 minutes, okay, the New York stock market and the New York forex foreign exchange trading market is going to open. The New York session is going to open, and then we're going to open up the actual trading platform, and I'm going to show you the live markets, okay, how we look at the live market, how we use our technology software to find profitable trades, and how the software helps us money literally within minutes. Okay. How many of you are very interested to see the live trading demonstration and how our software helps us to make money within minutes? Give me a 777 777. Type in 777 if you want to join us for a live trading party, live trading session very soon, right after the video that I'm going to play. Okay. Type in 777. All right. So don't go away. Hang around. Okay. Enjoy the video that I'm going to share with you. It's just I think about 10 minutes, okay, and then after that we'll come back, share some stories, and then we'll go into the live trading demonstration. Okay. All right, so let's go to the video now. All right, now this video website, I'm going to send it into the Zoom link as well. So if you can't watch this video somehow or whatever, right, you can always go back to this website and watch it again. Okay, so let's enjoy this video. by my mentor from US, Mr. Brandon Boyd. He's a multi-millionaire, okay, at the age of 30 plus years old only. Yeah. He has, I think, 5 children, right? A beautiful wife. He lives in Salt Lake City, Utah, in the USA. Okay, so let's enjoy this short video, 10 minutes and 14 seconds.
How many of you have money in the stock market and commodities and foreign currency? Okay, the next few minutes, I want to share with you something that I've personally been doing that has completely changed my excitement for the future. So for those who have not heard of currency trading before, I want to give you a few quick stats as well as give you an understanding on how it works. Number one, the foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world, producing about $6.6 trillion per day in trading volume, making it the most liquid market in the world. And unlike the stock market, you can trade in this market 24 hours a day. And just like stocks, gold, or oil fluctuate in value every day, currency also fluctuates in value. So we have the opportunity to make money by riding these waves. So now the question comes as to where can you learn how to do this? And that is where I Am Mastery Academy comes into play. This company has been in business since 2013, has incredible corporate team, some of the best leadership I've ever seen, and has taught hundreds of thousands of students worldwide through their academy and has become one of the leading educational platforms in the world. So within this academy called HFX, which stands for High Frequency Forex, through this you can learn how to make money when the price goes up or down. And so the question becomes, how do we actually determine whether the price is going to go up or down? And that is where these 5 proprietary scanners you will receive, that you're going to get trades known as market ideas sent to you, giving you an indication as to when you can choose to enter into a potential trade setup. These market ideas will give you an opportunity 24 hours a day to see what the educator sees and enter into the exact same opportunity that they do. Not only that, you get access to one of the top education platforms with Go Live, where there's education all throughout the day and night, so you can hop on live sessions, learn, and even take live market ideas right on the session, following exactly what the educators do. This one platform alone is the most valuable piece in the academy. Why? Because you are watching live sessions from top educators in the industry, learning how they trade, what they see, and how you can take the same trades or market ideas that they do. So let me show you an example of what a strategy setup would look like. There are 4 steps to placing a trade. Number 1, you select a currency pair. So for example, I could trade the USD JPY, United States dollar Japanese yen. You choose the time expiration, which is how long you'll be in the trade. Number 3, you choose the size of your trade, which is the dollar amount or risk percentage that you choose. And number 4, you push the button.
Oh, sorry about that, guys. Okay, my trading alarm actually went off, so let me switch that off. Okay, sorry. Some of you must have thought what happened, you know. Okay, right, let's carry on with the video. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, because my trading alert, when there's an alert, there's a trade, right? My alert will go off. All right, hang on. Let me just carry on with that video.
The predicted price direction. So let's take a look at a quick example of what this might look like.
Okay, so let's look at a few actual trade opportunities that we could take based on the new Cash Trap 2.0. Here it's just given us a put option near a resistance line, and if we look at USD to JPY on the currency strength, you can note that the first currency number is smaller than the second, and that means that we're looking for put option opportunities. So here we can go over to our brokerage platform and place a put option on USD to JPY for 3 minutes. Okay, so now we've placed that trade. We will wait the 3 minutes and we'll see how this plays out. And there we win the trade simply by following the rules of Cash Trap 2.0. Okay, so here we have another opportunity on the Euro to JPY. It has given us a call option opportunity with an ideal entry of 125. And again, we want to look at the last 3 digits of 958. And we're looking at a call option because the first digit in the currency strength meter is bigger than the second. So we'll go over to our broker and we'll look at that potential trade opportunity. So here we're on USD JPY. We need to make sure and go down to the correct symbol. Euro JPY. Price is currently a bit above that entry point. There we have it. Put in a call option for 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're seeing the latter end of that particular trade, and as you can see, we got in at 963. It called out the trade at 958, which would have been down here, which would have given us an even better entry point. So we got in a little bit early, but as you can see, with the power of Cash Trap, there we have a green box again, indicating that we won that trade simply by following the currency strength meter, aiming for an ideal entry point and getting in the direction that Cash Trap 2.0 recommended.
So let me introduce you to one of my good friends, Go Live educator, Matt Thayer, so that you can see the power of the Cash Trap strategy.
So simple. See, Cash Trap will tell you whether to go in for a call or to go in for a put. And every 5 minutes, there are new opportunities that come out. So on my live sessions, you'll actually be able to follow along with me and take the same exact trades that I take. I do the analysis. I look for the good trade setups. All you have to do is follow along. Most people, they start with $500. My goal is to help you grow that account 2% per session, 4 days a week for the next year. Boom, getting the call. Let's go ahead and take it. So boom, I'm in there. I said to the platform, hey, $10,000 in the next 3 minutes, price will be higher than it is right now. So all that has to happen is price has to go in that direction. So you guys can see here, price is already going in that direction. This will end up being actually a $16,900 payout. As you guys can see here, price is still in profit. We're about to clear this trade here in just a couple minutes, but that is exactly how Cash Trap works, guys.
Now, just in case you don't have time to get on Go Live sessions, but you still want to participate for 5 to 10 minutes per day, I want to introduce you to the HFX Swipes app, where you will receive trades or market ideas all throughout the day and night from Go Live educators. That's right, you can take the same opportunities they do and even see how they came up with it. It's done in 3 simple steps. Receive the market idea, swipe to open it up, check the details, and execute the exact same trade through your broker. You can do this in 5 to 10 minutes per day. It's truly an amazing app. Lastly, we have a way for you to become a customer and gain access to the Academy for free. If you find 2 individuals who want to trade with you and they enroll, your subscription is waived each month as long as they remain actively subscribed to the company. That's it. And in regards to the subscription, you can get started today for $235, which includes tax and your first month. The monthly, if you choose to stay with us, is $174.95, which is only $5.83 per day. On top of that, it's month to month, so you can turn it off anytime. We also teach how to become an affiliate and produce an additional stream of income if you so desire. The way it works is when someone enrolls into the Academy, the company will pay you a commission. And these commissions will continue as people are subscribed to the Academy. And the best part, you don't have to sell anything in order to make money. And that's not all. We also teach, if you have the desire, how to become an affiliate, where you can get paid to share this with others. The way it works is when someone enrolls into our academy, the company will pay you a commission. And these commissions can continue as people are subscribed to the academy. And the best part, you don't have to sell anything in order to make money. Now here's a simple breakdown. You share I Am Mastery Academy with someone, and when they enroll, you receive $25. Share it with a third person, upgrade to IBO, and now the company will pay you $150 per month as those 3 customers remain active with their subscription. As people see the value in the academy, they may start to share the academy with others, and as they do so, your customer base will grow. So say those 3 shared it with 3 customers as well. You now have 12 customers. That means the company will pay you $600 per month as those 12 customers remain active to their subscription to I Am Mastery Academy. So those 12, they share with a few, and you now have 30 customers, and you're paid $1,000 on a monthly basis as those 30 customers remain active with their subscription. Now, this is where lives begin to change. 75 customers, $2,000 a month. 225 customers is $5,000 a month. 500 customers is $10,000 per month, and so on and so forth, all the way up to any income you desire. In fact, just in case you're skeptical, we have people, many of them, at all of these ranks you see here on the screen. And you know what's interesting? This doesn't even count anything that they might make with our educational strategies inside the market. And here's the amazing thing. I Am Mastery Academy has a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you decide this is not for you, no sweat. Simply contact the company and cancel your subscription.
Just been in the company for a couple of months. I've been making trades and doing very well. Bottom line is you've taken something very complicated and taken it down to a layman's terms, a guy that absolutely knows nothing about day trading, and made it simple for me to get involved, and I'm so grateful.
All right. Okay, I hope all of you enjoyed that video there. All right. Okay, so how many of you enjoyed that video? Short and sweet, very simple. Okay, and it totally explains, right, how people are making money every single day with this platform. Okay. Now, I see some of my friends are here on this call already. I want to invite them up to share quickly with you guys how, this community, our community, Traderpreneurs, we call it ourselves traderpreneurs.com. Okay. In fact, we just set up this community not long ago. And I want to just share with you, right, a few people in our community and their amazing stories. Okay. So over here on the left side, we have this gentleman. His name is Mr. Chipeng. He's from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay. And Chipeng and his wife, Jen, I've known them for many years. Okay, many years. And they have been running their childcare business, childcare center business for all their lives, right? And, it's a traditional business. Okay, but last year, when Malaysia started their MCO lockdown, okay, everything stopped. And when our travel related business also stopped, basically Chipeng and Jen were in very deep trouble, right? Difficulty, literally, right? And he knew nothing about trading, never traded a single thing before in his entire life, okay? And he was very, very skeptical, but he chose to believe because he got no other choice, right? I mean, there's nothing else they can do. They're locked down at home. So when he first started, it was very difficult for him because he says that he's not a very smart person, and a lot of people think that trading, you need to be very smart, okay? But he didn't give up. He persevered. He learned from the platform. And right now, Chipeng, after 6 months, you heard that bell, that means the New York market is open already. So Chipeng, after 6 months, right, he has mastered the skill that's allowed him today, every day, right, he's literally collecting hundreds of dollars, US dollars, right, from the financial markets, okay? And I just want to share with you guys, let me show you his post on our WhatsApp group, okay? So some of you may be able to see our WhatsApp group here. So every day, our team members will be posting their trading results on our WhatsApp group. And look at this. This is Chipeng's result today. He just did one trade today and he earned 430 Malaysian ringgit. That's about 100 US dollars. I think so, right? 100 Singapore dollars or near 100 US dollars. So that is pretty good, right? For someone who has never traded before in his entire life 6 months ago. How many of you think that's really fantastic? Type in a 888 in the chat box. One trade, he made 430 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit already, okay? And in fact, he has been consistently doing this every single day, Monday to Friday, okay? Every single day, he's collecting money from the markets, okay? So that's one amazing story. Another amazing story here, I have my friend, in fact, I see him on the call, right? Some of you have heard from him before, but I think many of you miss him dearly. My friend, Mr. Sujay, right? Sujay from India, from Pune, India. I've known Sujay for many years also. He's my brother, my good friend. And we actually started trading Forex about, I think, 3-4 years ago together. And, we were exploring all this trading stuff. Okay, and late last year, Sujay told me, hey, bro, you got to go check out this thing, man, this HFX trading thing, right? This platform. Right? And we checked it out together, and then we were like, wow, totally blown away. Okay, and Sujay, after learning from this platform and using their software technology, he is now a fully independent, full-time trader, and all his financial needs are totally solved now because he is able to trade from home every day. So Sujay, if you're on the call, Sujay, I ask you to unmute.
Uh, Hey guys, good evening. It's 7 p.m. here in India. I don't know what time it is. Maybe it's around 9 p.m. there. So I'm really excited to be here. This morning, Dennis actually said that I should come and share my uh, testimonial on the call and share with you guys my experience about Forex and HFX and trading and IM Academy. So guys, just like Dennis said, he's my big brother, and we have known each other for a very long time. And what happened is, he actually shared this forex concept, trading concepts with me, almost 3-4 years back, and we were just exploring, understanding things. But last year, when the COVID hit the world, I actually got more serious about trading. I just decided and understood that this is something that is going to be there forever. This is something that, if I master the skill, I can just make money every single day. So what happened is I started, plugging into the IM Academy educators, and I owe all my success, all my understanding that I have today, although I'm not a pro, although I'm not a master. Okay. You cannot become 100% pro or 100% master in the trading world, but you can become better every single day. This is what I personally think. So I owe all my understanding and all my knowledge to the academy. I started attending all the go live sessions that the company has, and I decided I wanted to follow some educators who became my favorite educators in HFX as well as normal Forex world. And what happened, guys? Because of this learning and understanding, I actually came up with my own strategy. Okay. The interesting thing is, the company, the academy, their main intention and their main goal is that everyone who is a part of the company has to become an independent trader and learn trading without relying on anyone else. So in my case, what happened is, last year September, I actually started trading HFX last year, almost in the month of October, November. And initially, I was just implementing, experimenting with a lot of things, but my account started to grow. I was having lessons, we call losses lessons. I was having lessons, but I was also making money. So most of the time I was having break evens, no profit, no losses. But then once I started to understand things, started to get a proper perspective of trading and trading HFX, especially, my account started to grow. Uh, just the current update, guys. I have multiple accounts on my trading platform. Okay, I definitely would like to share some screenshots, and I'll do it on the group. One of my main accounts, okay, that I started with approximately $500, okay, last year in the month of October, has grown to over $15,000 now. Okay, I started a second account to trade with my team, and I was doing this group trading almost with the group from Jan to March. That account has started with $500, and that account is approximately plus 5,000 now. My wife started a trading account looking at my result. She was interested because she's a housewife, does not want to work, does not want to go and do a job. And anyways, I encourage entrepreneurship and self-employment. So she started following and learning from me. She started a $600 account with the money that she had saved in her bank account. She's plus 5,000. Okay. Right now, my brother, he started trading 11th of April with $700. He's at $5,900 right now. Okay. All of them are right now independent traders. Okay. They can trade without me because whatever information I wanted to teach them, I've taught them. And the information that I have is all owed to the academy because I got inspiration. I got all the information from the academy, guys. So I can just tell you one thing, guys. Just like Dennis said right now, shipping, I've known him for a long time now, okay, and all the other people on this platform, okay. Most of these guys 6 months back did not understand a single thing about forex, but now I keep on seeing the results, okay, and every day these guys are making money, and all thanks to the academy, guys. That was all from my side. Thank you so much. Back to you, Dennis.
Thank you so much, brother. All right, guys, you heard it from the man himself, Sujay. Everybody give Sujay a 777 in the chat box, right? Thank you so much for sharing your success. So we have many stories like this, right? So I hope that most of you, a lot of you will become our next success story. And I just created this website, traderpreneurs.com. So we just started. It's not live yet. It's not ready yet. So please don't go there and sign up. It's nothing. It's not ready yet. Okay. We're going to be putting a lot of materials onto this website, including all the success stories that we're creating in our community. Okay. And I hope that the next success story here will be you. How many of you would love to have your success story shared here on this website with the world? Type in a 111 in the chat box. 111. Okay, so lots of stories to share, but right now the market is already open. Okay, so I'm going to go straight into the trading platform. Okay, so guys, if you want to start learning how to trade, okay, let me recommend you to this platform called IQ Option. There's many different platforms that we use, many different companies that we can trade with. Okay, but this one is used by this Chipeng, and it's available in Singapore, Malaysia, all over Asia, right? And it's very convenient. I think it's a good platform to start learning with. Okay, and they also offer what we call a practice account. Practice account means, all right, that this is fake money, right? You don't have to put in real money. You don't have to risk your real money until you're ready, until you have learned the skills. Okay, so you can practice for the whole day, 24 hours, because Forex and trading is 24 hours, okay? And even on weekends, you can trade what we call cryptocurrency. Okay, that means this platform allows you to trade not just foreign exchange pairs, okay, but also cryptocurrency, gold, silver, even US stocks, okay, like Apple, like Microsoft, Google, right? So you can trade almost everything here on this platform. It's very easy to use, okay? Now let me demonstrate how we enter a trade on this platform. It's very simple. Once you deposit real money, okay, you can start with practice account. Practice account will give you $10,000 for free, okay? Monopoly money, right? And when you lose, okay, you will not lose your real money, so don't worry, okay? Right? And it's if you lose everything, you can just click here and go and top up back to 10,000 again, okay? So you can keep doing this repeatedly until you're very confident of how to do this with real money. Okay, so a disclaimer here, all right? Okay, please do not risk any real money that you cannot afford to lose, all right? And please, learn the skill first, all right? Because we are not guaranteeing you any income here, okay? Now, how does this work? It's very simple. Now, on the right side, you can select the amount you want to trade. So you can put $1, you can put $10, you can even put $10,000, okay? Whatever you want, all right? And then once you put in the amount, let's say $10, okay, you have two options. You have what we call a higher and a lower, or typically we call it a buy or a sell, okay? We also call it a call. Call means buy, put means sell, okay? So everybody must learn these terms, okay? Somebody type in the chat box. When I say call, what do I mean? Do I mean buy or sell? Okay, type in the chat box. When I say call, it's a buy. Okay, when I say put, it's a sell. Okay, very simple. So buy is the green button, put is the sell is the red button. Okay, and you can see here on this platform, it's very simple. When I put my mouse over the green button, you'll see a green arrow pointing up. That means we are telling the platform that I believe that the price is going to go up. Okay, so I want to buy. Okay, I want to buy higher. And if the price does go up, I make money. Very simple. And if I move my mouse over the red button, put, sell, or lower, means that I believe the price is going down. Okay, so if I think the price is going to go down, I will hit sell. So right now you can see the price looks like it's dropping. Okay, so this is a demo, so I'll just demonstrate the cells. I'm going to click the red button here. All right, and the final thing you need to do is you need to click on the time, and you need to select what expiration time do you want. Okay, so there's different expiration times that you can choose. All right, we will go into more detail about that when you're attending the trainings. Okay, so we will actually teach you how to trade within 1, 2, 3 minutes. Okay, that means the trade will only last for, let's say, 3 minutes, for example. All right, okay, so that's what you need to select. All right, so let me just go to a 5-minute diagram here. Okay, and then I'll just demonstrate to you how I enter a sell trade. Okay, so let's say I pick this time, okay, and then I enter a sell. All right, so you will see a line here, a red line. Okay, so the trade that I entered is actually a 15-minute trade. Okay, that means actually it's 30 minutes. Okay, so in 30 minutes time, if this dot goes below this red line, okay, because I pick lower, that means if the price drop below the red line in the next 30 minutes, okay, I will be able to profit 80% of the amount that I risk. So if I risk $10, I will earn $8. Okay. If I risk $100, I will earn $80. All right. But if the price stay above this red line after 30 minutes, I will lose the trade. That means I will lose my $10 or my $100, whatever amount that I risk. Okay, very simple. All right, if I had chosen a buy, so let's say I chose a buy, okay, you will see a green line, right? So if the price in the next 30 minutes, okay, actually go above the green line and stay above the green line, I will make money. I will earn my 80% profit. Okay, very, very simple. All right, very, very simple. And you can see here on the top left corner, right, it tells me I'm actually trading the euro to the Japanese yen. Okay, and what are we trading? We're trading the exchange rate of €1 dollar to Japanese yen. So right now you can see €1 dollar can exchange for about 131 Japanese yen, right? That's the exchange rate. So we're actually trading the up and down of the exchange rate. Okay, everybody understands? It's very, very simple. All right. If we believe the exchange rate is going to go up, we buy. If we believe the exchange rate is going to go down, we sell. Okay, and then we select the time limit for this trade to complete. Okay, so by the time the this clock counts down to 0, right, depending on where the price is, you will win or you will lose. Okay, very, very simple to understand. All right. Okay, how many of you understand this? Give me a 222 in the chat box. 222. All right, 222. So you can see now my sell trade is currently in profits. Okay, my sell trade is in profit because it is now dropped below the red line. So my buy trade is actually in a losing situation right now. Okay, so the idea is very simple. The idea is if we can accurately predict what the price is going to do, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Within that fixed period of time, we will be able to make money and generate profit every day. Okay, but of course we cannot just blindly do this from this screen like that. Okay, that's why when you join IM Academy, all right, you will have a back office of all this online training videos. Okay, tons of videos that are very professionally done that will teach you the fundamental and the basics skills and knowledge of how to trade these markets. Okay. You'll also be able to access our Go Live educators, meaning every day, Monday to Sunday, every day there is a live educator from US, from Europe, from everywhere in the world, right? And they will be trading and teaching you live how they are making money from the markets. Okay, so you can literally click on them, watch them trade live in front of you, and follow their analysis. Okay, this is so powerful, right? Imagine how much money you have to pay, right, $1 million trader to sit in front of you live and trade in front of you and tell you exactly what they are buying and selling. Okay, it's priceless, right? Okay, but we just pay a puny monthly school fees, membership fees, right? And we can watch all these multi-million dollar traders trade in front of us. How many of you think that that is super value for money and you cannot find this anywhere else in the world? Type in a 777 jackpot in the chat box, 777 jackpot in the chat box. Okay. All right. Okay. And then the final thing, right, is we have a lot of different trading software. Okay. I will not be able to go through every single software with you tonight. Okay. There's so many different software for Forex, for commodities, for indexes like the NASDAQ, stock exchanges like the S&P 500, US 30. We also have software tools for cryptocurrency. Okay. Depending on what package you choose to join. All right. So tonight we are talking about the easiest package for you to join to start first is HFX, high frequency Forex. Okay. And this software, Hourglass, is what we want you to start with because this is the proven software, okay, that our mentor has been using to grow his account to over 13 million US dollars. Okay. So we're going to look at this software right now. Okay, this is Hourglass, guys. Okay, so guys, if you're already in, ladies and gentlemen, if you're already in our community, you're already a student, all right, it's time to open up your Hourglass. All right, so let's look at Hourglass. All right, so Hourglass Cash Trap, guys, this is the software. And we click on USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY. You can see here the software is telling us to do a call. Remember, when I say call, what I mean? Buy, right? And it's telling us to buy at 110.540. Okay, 110.540, guys. So this is a 5-point call. All right, this is a 5-point call. Okay. Right now you can see the price is actually at the green Bollinger Band line. Okay, so how do we derive the 5 points? Okay, right now it's a call arrow. Price is at the green Bollinger Band, which is the support. Okay, price just bounce off the green EMA line, which is a support. Okay, so we have call arrow 1 point, green Bollinger Band 2 points, the support line 3 points. Okay, and the stochastic, and the stochastic is crossing up from the green line, so that's 4 points. And right now the RSI, all right, is oversold. Okay, it looks like it's trying to cross up, so that would give us a 5 point if it starts to cross up. Okay, so this is looking like a good trade, but we have only 55 seconds left. Okay, so those of you who are new, all right, this is how we will teach you. Okay, we will teach you how to identify, okay, what we call our scoring system. Okay, so a 3-point trade would be a good trade that you can take with around 60% win rate. Okay, a 4-point trade would be about 70% win rate. 5 point, 6, and 7 points, these would be above 80 to 90% win rate. Okay, so right now the score here, the software is telling us it's 4 points and it's telling us to buy. Okay, but there's only 14 seconds left. Okay, so I would wait for the next, what we call candlestick to open up. All right, so we'll teach you what are candlesticks. It's basically showing us whether the price is going up or down. Okay, so now if you're totally new, you totally don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. All you have to learn is follow the software, okay, and follow the scoring system. Okay, if the software give you a 4, 5, 6, or 7-point trade, and it tell you to buy at this price, you can just go in and buy, okay? Because 70, 80, 90% of the time, you are going to win the trade. Okay, so right now, this is a new call, guys, at 110531. Some of you may have entered the trade already. Let's see how many points this trade is. This is a very good trade setup, okay? All right, but it's only 3 points, okay? Only 3 points. All right, so I think this one, right, right, it's a little bit on the risky side, okay? But if we look at what's happening to the UJ right now, let's look at the USD JPY. Okay, let's look at what's happening. It's actually coming up already, okay? It's actually coming up already. So you can see Hourglass Cash Trap told us to buy at 1105.31. So if you had gone in at 1105.31, all right, the price now is at 1105.35. Okay, so you would be in profit right now if you had entered that trade. Okay, and if you had entered this call trade. Did anybody go in for that call trade? If you did, all right, type in a 1 in the chat box. All right, okay, this is just called out. We have about 3 minutes. All right, 3 more minutes left in the trade. Okay, we can wait for the next one. All right, because right now, guys, because you can see here the US dollar. All right, guys, this is what we call the currency strength. Okay, so the currency strength, the US dollar is 57 points, the Japanese yen is 74 points, which tells us that the dollar is actually weaker than the Japanese yen. Okay, so if the dollar is weaker than the Japanese yen, this is telling us the price is trying to move downwards. Okay, it's trying to move downwards. All right, so this may not be a best time, right, to look for a call trade, right? We should be looking for puts. Okay, we should be looking for puts. All right. Okay, but if you had gone in for that trade, okay, let's see where's the price now. The price is still at 534. So if you had done a 3-minute trade on that, guys, you probably would have cleared that trade. Okay, right. So for those of you who are new, we will actually teach you, right, to take 3-minute trades. Okay, 3-minute trades. Right, but once you're more experienced, you can take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, right, depending on your style, your trading style. Okay, but this software Cash Trap is so accurate that if you just follow it and take 3-minute trades, it's very, very possible that 7 out of 10 trades and above, you will be winning the trade. Okay, you'll be winning the trade. All right. So if this call score turns to 5 points, that would be an even higher winning percentage trade. Okay. So let's see what's going to happen to USD JPY. Okay. But in the meantime, all right, let's look at some other pairs here. Euro USD. Let's click on Euro USD. Okay, so on the right, you can see there are many different selections. Okay, there are many different currency pairs. Okay, so Euro USD looking like a very nice put. Okay, because look at this, guys, right? This is a very nice put. All right, you might want to consider this trade. Okay, but right now there's only about 1 minute left. Okay, this is a very nice trade. Why? Because the euro is 41 points. The dollar is 56. That means the euro is weaker than the dollar, which means that price should move down. Okay, system is telling us to do a put, all right, at 955. Okay, and right now this price area is at the red Bollinger Band. Okay, this is what we call the resistance level. All right, and then the red resistance line, it already touched it and bounced down. Okay, and then the stochastic is crossing down from the red. The RSI is crossing down from the red, and previously there was a S that came up. Okay, so this Euro USD thing should be going down very soon. Okay, so let's wait for the next one. Let's wait for this to count down. Okay, 15 seconds. All right, on the next candle, if we come out with a put again, get ready. Okay, get ready to go in for a put. All right, and if the score is above 4 points, all right, we can go for the put. All right, so the new put has come out. This is a put trade, guys. This is a good put trade. Okay, so if you're on the demo, or this is a 5-point put, guys. Okay, so this is a good trade. I think I will want to go in on this trade myself. So I'm going to go in for a 3-minute put at 950K. Okay, so I'm going in for, oh, I got locked out. All right, never mind. Guys, if you're able to get into that trade, let me know. Let me know if you're able to get into that trade. Okay. Let me know if you are able to get into that trade. USD JPY 5 point. Who's in that trade? Anybody in that trade? Type in 111. 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes trade. If you're able to roll, right? If you need to roll, you might want to take a roll. Okay. All right. If your time is not enough. Okay. This thing should be able to go down, right, within the next 3 candles, within the next 5 to 15 minutes, okay? 3 to 12 minutes, okay? Anybody in that trade? I couldn't get it because I was logged out from my platform. So I missed that one, but this is a very nice trade setup. All right, so those of you who are new, okay, that's all you need to learn, right? It's very, very simple, okay? Let me explain to you. When you see a put score, right, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7 points, this has a 90% chance of winning. Okay, 90% chance of 80 to 90% chance. All right. Okay. And what we teach you, right, is the price should go in the right direction. Okay, within the next 3 candles. Right, 3 candles. Each candle is 5 minutes. Okay, each candle is 5 minutes. Right, so this candle still has 2 minutes and 41 seconds left. Okay, the next candle, right, will be the next 5 minutes, and then the third candle will be the next 5 minutes. So total, you can give this trade 12 to 15 minutes for it to play out in the right direction. Okay, so usually if you're using, say, IQ option, right, you can take a 15-minute trade. Okay, you can take a 15-minute trade, right? If you're using other platforms, right, you can take a 3-minute trade, and we will teach you this thing called rollover. That means you can extend your time by another 3 minutes to 6 minutes. You can even extend it to 12 minutes. Okay, so the rule that we will teach you is you can roll a maximum of 2 times. Okay, that's the rule that we'll teach you. That means 3 minutes, you extend to 6 minutes, extend to 12 minutes. So within 12 minutes, it should go in the right direction. Okay, it should go in the right direction. Okay, you can see here the price is dropping already. Everybody, you see the red candle, the price is dropping. All right, you should be clearing this. Freddie cleared. All right, those of you who cleared this, give me some dollar signs in the chat. Type in some dollar signs in the chat. Congratulations, Freddie, for clearing that trade. Made some money there. All right, so this is now a 6-point trade, everybody. 6 points. Now, let me explain. Why is it 6 points? Okay, first we have the currency strength. Euro is weaker than the dollar. That's 1 point. System told us to sell. Put 2 points. Okay, price came to the red Bollinger Band, which acts like a ceiling, right? A resistance. Okay, that's 3 points. All right, and then you can see it bounce off this red resistance line, 4 points. Okay, the stochastic crossed down from the red, 5 points, and then the RSI crossed down from the red, 6 points. This is why this is a 6-point trade. This is a perfect trade setup, everybody. Look at this beautiful drop. The price just dropped. Okay, Euro USD just totally dropped. Totally dropped. Look at that. Totally dropped. Okay, so guys, if you took this trade, you would have made money. Okay, I missed that trade. That was too bad for me. Otherwise, I would have made some money there. All right, cool. All right, so when we make money, what do? Pay the money source. And then the London session opens around 3:30 p.m. Singapore time. All right, and you can trade all the way until 9:30. Okay, and then 9:30 p.m. Singapore time is the New York session. Okay, so you can trade the whole day if you want to. All right, but you don't have to. Now let's do the compound calculator. All right, so all you have to do is win, right? Let's say 3 to 5 trades a day, and that's it. You can stop. Why? Because we want you to start, right? You can start with, say, as low as $250 in your account. Okay. Now with IQ option, you can start with as low as 50 Malaysian ringgit, which is like 20 Singapore dollars. Okay, which is like 10 US dollars. Okay. With other platforms, you have to start with, say, 100, 200, $50, something like that. Okay. Now, what you want to do is, with that $250, every day, don't be greedy. You just want to grow your account by, let's say, 3%. And let's say you do this for the next 260 days part-time, the next 1 year, the next 52 weeks. And then you reinvest 100% of your profits back into your trading account. Okay? Or you can just reinvest 70%, up to you. All right? Okay, and you take out 30%. Okay, on weekends, you don't trade if you don't want to, but you can trade if you trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can trade on the weekends. Okay, but just for example, I'll choose no. All right, so let's calculate. Okay, now this website is going to show you, okay, exactly how your money is going to grow in the next 1 year. Okay, so if you just do 3%, your $250 investment capital, trading capital, can have the possibility to grow to 55,000, to $78,000 in the next 1 year. You can take out 23,000 for your pocket money. You keep 55,000 in your trading account. All right. And how does that work? Every day, you just grow your account by 3%. So $250, 3% is 750. 766 on the next day, 782 on the next day. Okay. At first, it's very boring because it's a very small amount. Okay. But as you continue to do this every day for the next few months, look at this, guys. Look at the red color number. By the time you reach Christmas this year, 25th of December this year, you would have grown your $250 to 3,500 US dollars in your account. Okay. How many of you think that that's really amazing already? Type in 888 in the chat box if you think that is really amazing already. Okay. All right. Now, remember what Sujay said. 6 months ago, he started with $500. Today, his account is 15,000 US dollars. Okay. His wife account started with 700. Today is 5,000 plus US dollars. Okay. Chipeng started 2 months ago, 200 ringgit. Today's account is over 5-figure in Malaysian ringgit. And it's high 5-figure, not low 5-figure. Okay. This is the power of compounding daily, everybody. This is the power of compounding daily. Can you imagine 1 year later, your $250 has become 55,000. Okay. And you have taken out 23,000 as your profit for you to go and spend with your family. How many of you feel that this is possible with this software, with this community, with this platform? Give me a 777 in the chat box, 777. Okay. So if you're new, your first time listening to this, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Okay. Please go and talk to the person who invited you to this presentation, this webinar session. Okay. If you're invited by me, you need to get a referral link from me. All right, I'll send it to you, and you can go to I Am Academy. You can go to the website. You can click on Get Started. Click on Join Today. All right, and then let me show you how much is your investment, right, for your financial freedom. Okay, you don't have to invest $3,000. It's not even $1,000. Okay, that is the market rate for all kind of forex or stock trading workshop and seminars out there in the market. Okay, at least $1,000 to $3,000. I Am Academy is $235 one-time payment, and you can access all of this entire platform immediately tonight. Okay, if you sign up tonight. Okay, and then 30 days later, 28 days later, after 1 month, if you think that this is very value for money, you can continue your monthly school fees for $175. Okay, if you want to use that Hourglass software, okay, you just add on. All right, we have a lot of different kind of software for you to learn. Okay, for Hourglass, it's additional $23. Okay, so you add up to 258 initial fee, and then monthly about $198. Okay, now my friends who are already students of I Am Academy in this Zoom call tonight, how many of you feel that this school fees is so much more value than what you're paying for? All right, give me a triple nine in the chat box. 999 in the chat box. Okay, if you agree that this is so much more value than what you are paying for, okay, type in 999 in the chat box. Okay, all right. Nowhere else, people, can you find something like this. Okay, now, of course, some of you are thinking, wow, how can I earn back this $200? Okay, very simple. There's two ways. The first way, learn how to trade. Okay, learn how to trade. And easily you will be making more than what you're paying every month just from trading. You don't have to talk to a single person about this. The other way is you just refer to, okay? So if you refer just 2 friends, all right, we call it the 2 and 3 program, okay? If you refer just 2 friends who also become customers, your monthly fee will be waived forever. Just 2, not 2 every month, just 2 active paying customers, okay? Type in 222 if you understand what I'm talking about. All right, 222, okay? Now, we also have a referral affiliate plan where the more students that you refer, the more money you earn, okay? But that is optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just make plenty of money just trading by yourself, okay? But if you do introduce people, you can earn a ridiculous amount of monthly passive income, up to over $1 million a month. And that is what a lot of our chairman leaders are doing. Okay, right, and I'm also personally building the business on this side. Okay, but this is totally optional, right? And all you have to do is refer 3 customers just like yourself and teach them the power of 3. That means 3 refer 3, 9 refer 3, 27 refer 3, and so on and so forth. There's no stress, no time limit, no products to buy or sell, no nothing to deliver, no sales target. Just remember, refer 2 and you're free, refer 3 and teach them the power of 3, and you will be financially free. Okay, very simple. Remember this song, okay? Refer 2 and you're free, refer 3, teach them the power of 3, and you're financially free. Okay, all right, so that's it for the business side, guys. Okay, so if you're new, that's all I have to say. All right, if you're already still in the community, let's see if we can take a few more trades, okay, before we round up, right, in the next 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so thank you very much. If you're new, all right, that's it. If you want to hang around and continue to see us trading, you're welcome to do that as well. Okay, so let's see if we can find a few more trades, guys. Okay, I missed my Euro USD just now, so I'm very very pissed off. Okay, okay, I need to make some money tonight. All right, okay, so let's see what else do we have. Okay, all right, while we're waiting, let me see here who else I can invite to share. Anna, if you're there, ask you to unmute. Maybe you can share with the community. All right, how you are progressing so far.
It's very interesting that I find myself in a field that I never really had any experience with before. Dennis shared this with me at a perfect time when my business was really struggling in the middle of this pandemic. And when I realized that this is a platform that I can work on from home without me having to risk my life by going outside, I said, this is it. It was way beyond my comfort zone, but thank God that the system of I Am Academy really caters to people even like me, who's totally a beginner. And when I saw that I can learn from the experts, the professionals, the master traders, I plugged into their go live sessions. And thank God, you don't have to follow their schedule. You can, catch the recordings. And that really worked for me. I learned what they were doing. And by practice, I started getting better and better. I was honing my skills. And now I believe and I can see that I'm so much better than when I was beginning. I'm getting better trades now. And I'm also starting to do trades on my own, which, by experience, I'm even improving on. And I'm really, really excited to see better results now than I was having in the beginning. I mean, if you're looking at this as an instant thing, that's not it. But if you think long term and you really patiently just go through practice and trading every single day and plugging into the go live sessions plus the aid of our tools, I mean, it's the perfect combination. So I'm really glad I discovered this through Dennis, and I look forward to welcome you soon in this money generating platform. Thank you, Dennis.
Thank you so much. And Mimi, I see you're on the call. Mimi, do you want to unmute and share with us, how you've benefited? In the meantime, get prepared for USDCHF. USDCHF looks like it might get a nice call area. We're waiting for the price to come down to the support around the 0.92090s. Okay, 0.92090s area. Okay, that would be a nice zone, nice area for us to do a call trade. Okay, you can see the stochastic is coming down, oversold, oversold. Okay, so we're waiting for the price to come down a little bit. If it can hit this area and we get a 4, 5, 6 point trade, go for the call. Okay, Mimi, are you there? Mimi, you wanna share with us a little bit? Let's see who else we have. Jerry, if you're available, do share with the group. We have a lot of new friends here tonight. Or Yoli, if you're there, Yoli, it would be great to hear.
Hi, good evening, everybody.
Hi, Yoli, we can hear you.
Yeah. Well, I started last February, and it was really a good time when Anna invited me to join the I Am Academy. It was a time when, my business, I had to close shop because my business is in the events world. So since there are no events during the pandemic, and I really don't have anything to do, it has been for some time that I really wanted to do forex trading, and I really wanted to learn. So having been invited to join the I Am Academy, it's a great blessing for me because now last February, I really do not understand how to trade. I really don't know how to trade. But now, because I've been watching all the Go Live videos, and there was a time when Sujay was holding sessions, so we learned a lot. And Dennis was holding his training sessions. I learned a lot from all of them. And now I think I can trade on my own. And now I can say I am a fisherman, although there are times that I do get some lessons. But lately, I've been getting good results. Well, this is all because of I Am Academy. And I am very thankful to Anna.
because it's against the currency strength. Okay, guys, so like this USD Canadian dollar, because the USD is 64 points, Canadian dollar is 24 points. What does that mean? That means the dollar is very much stronger than the Canadian dollar, right? So system is asking us to do a put, okay? But this would be a risky one because of the currency strength, all right? And you can see the score is only 2 points. So I am not going to take this trade. Okay, so this is a negative example of a good example of a trade that I will not take, okay? All right, it's a little bit dangerous. So unless the score is 6 points, all right, then we can consider. Okay, but right now it's only 2 points, so better not take this trade. And you guys, you can see that these candles are all pushing up, very aggressively pushing up. They're all sticking to the red Bollinger Band. What that means that it is going into a very strong uptrend. Okay, going in a very strong uptrend. So it's a little bit dangerous. So let's not risk this one. Okay. All right. But if you want to take a trade like that, make sure you lower your risk. Okay. Make sure you lower your risk. Right. Just to prove to yourself that whether you will win or lose this trade. The Euro USD doesn't look very nice. USD JPY is also going the other way. Okay, so this is a bit weird. Let's look at the dollar. What is happening to the dollar? The dollar hit resistance and it's coming down a bit. Okay, dollar looks like it's coming down a bit. Okay, so dollar is weaker than yen. Euro is weaker than dollar. All right. Okay, I think we